Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll explore the basic of business correspondence, focusing on Units 1 through 4. These units cover essential skills for writing professional letters, including cover letters, replying to job applicants, requesting service, and the last is confirming service. Each unit will be explained with specific example for better understanding. The first is writing a cover letter. Cover letter In the cover letter, we'll learn how to write an effective cover letter. A cover letter is often the first change to make a positive impression on a company. A well-structured cover letter includes written address. Written address is your personal letterhead. Put your contact information here, and the part of write cover letter is that inside the dress is write a cover letter to a specific person if possible. And salutation use a colon after the name. And um opening is start by mentioning the position you're applying for and where you found it. And focus, this is where you explain why you're a good fit for the job, highlight relevant experience and skills. Um, and action is mention any follow up or action you plan to take. And in the closing is and with a positive tone such as I look forward to meeting with you soon. This confirms your enthusiasm for the opportunity. And um, after closing, this is complimentary close, and this is signature. This is type name, and this is enclosure. What is enclosure? Enclosure is at this if you are sending something with the letter N. And the next slide is is replying to job applicants. In replying to job applicant, which usually includes three types of response. The one is sorry. Um, the one is acknowledging receipt of an applicant. The second is requesting an interview, and the last is rejecting. In acknowledging receipt of an applicant, include heading. Acknowledging acknowledging receipt of an applicant, confirm that the applicant's material have been received. Includes heading. Heading is supplied automatically by the email program. Opening, tell you received the application. Action, explain the process. And closing, thank the applicant for her interest. And the second is requesting an interview. If the applicant meets the qualifications, send an interview invitation. Include heading, and this is heading for requesting an interview. Heading is supplied automatically by the email program, and this is opening. Opening is invite the applicant for an interview, and this is action. Action, explain what will happen, and this is closing. Closing, be enthusiastic. Um, and the request and interview including details about the time and place helps applicants prepare. And the last is rejecting. Rejecting, if the applicant isn't a fit, express the rejection. Uh, the first of rejecting include heading. Heading is supplied automatically by the email program. Opening, tell you receive the application. And this is heading, this is opening. And this is action. Action, explain why the applicant is rejected. And the last is closing. This is closing. We wish you every success in your career. Closing is be valid and positive. And the next slide is requesting a service. In requesting a service, we learn how to write a service request letter. It's essential to provide clear detail so the service can be delivered accurately in opening. Opening begin by stating the reason for the letter or tell why you are writing requesting a service. And focus focus is provide detailed information about the service you need, such as date, number, participants, and room requirement. And after focus is action. Actions specific any deadlines or further instruction or give a time frame. And the last is closing. This is closing. Closing is conclude with a positive note like uh, not like okay. Uh, Thank you for attention. I look forward to hearing for you soon. This shows appreciations and anticipates the next step. Or thank the reader and mention future communication. And the last slide is confirming a service. Um, confirming Confirming a service is covers how to confirm a service such as a conference or training session. Confirmation are essential to ensure all details align with what was agreed upon. And the part of confirming a service is opening. Opening is begin by confirming the agreed service or event. This is opening or opening is tell why you are writing, and the second is focus. Focus is repeat the main details such as date, times, equipment needs, or additional service like catering, uh like this is service this is cleaning service or restate the client's need completely. The next is action. Action is address any other specific needs or potential issue or discuss problems if any. And the last is closing. Closing is conclude with appreciation and positive outlook for the event or thank the readers. And through units 1 to 4 with covered essential skills in business communication from making a great first, first impression with a cover letter to handling service related correspondence. These skills enhance professionalism, build trust, and prevent misunderstandings. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.